Hey guys, it's Megan Ethel, MasterCraft team athlete here, and I'm going to talk to you about the Let Her Rip campaign. MasterCraft's Let Her Rip campaign is about empowering and inspiring women to build confidence in and behind the boat and on and off the water. One of our goals this boating season, to get as many women as possible out on the water. That's why MasterCraft is hitting the road and hosting multiple clinics this summer to help women and girls of all ages feel the most confident while driving, riding behind the boat, and learning new tricks. We'll kick off our first clinic at the MasterCraft headquarters on June 18th with additional clinics to follow in Austin, Seattle, Atlanta, and Orlando. For a full schedule of events and to sign up for a clinic, visit mastercraft.com/letherrip. Special thanks to MasterCraft and my other sponsors, Red Bull, Liquid Force, Body Glove, and Novatics for the continuous support for this amazing initiative. And don't forget, we want to see how you let her rip. Be sure to continue using the hashtag #LetHerRip on Instagram so we can join you in celebrating your passion.